From Rasulpura, Begumpet, we have requests from Mangod Basti in Habibnagar. There's a Muslim Dhobi Ghat in Habibnagar. There is another place called some kind of Bandi. Sorry, I'm forgetting the name, but I know the location. So these are very high numbered requests that we have, and these are people who are probably not getting any kind of assistance. So right now, United Citizens Forum and myself, we requested the Rice Bucket Challenge to pitch in and help us for the Mangod Basti, which has all backward classes and Dalit community who usually are daily wage workers and things like that. And Rice Bucket Challenge has been generous enough. If you can see, they've just sent us these supplies of like 300 kgs of atta, that's like 100 kgs of dal, about 75 liters of oil, garam masala, namak and things like that. Thank you so much, Manju, for being a ray of hope in these very dark times. And thank you, Maqbool Mateen Saab from United Citizens Forum, a man who's continues to inspire, and his zest for serving humanity, just based on humanity, I think is very infectious. And when we do that, we adapt that we, that when we are helping people, we don't look at anything. It's not even like, like there are people who are always deciding who is more needy, who is less needy, which pain is bigger than which kind of pain and things like that. I personally think that's, I can't wrap my head around that kind of comparison. And I'm so glad that I know somebody else who is like that, and he's a moral guide, and he's constantly inspiring us to aim more. Well, this is what Manju sent from Rice Bucket Challenge. Plus, we also have like our own packing and stuff that's going on. We have like our own another set of stuff that's going to go probably to Rasulpura and Suleiman Nagar and places like that. I would request everyone to do their bit. आपसे जितना हो सके, जहां हो सके, जो हो सकते हैं आप करिए. Tie up with somebody who you rely on, who is trustworthy. You can also contact us, and we'll be happy to help you in any way possible. We don't have any restrictions on the kind of help that we can give. तो आप कोशिश करें जितना हो सके. This one simple message that I have for everyone, that I think this is one of the biggest kind of global crisis that our generation is seeing and probably will see. Probably the previous 2 generations and the next 2-3 generations may not see something as big and as dangerous as this in a long time to come. So I think this is a time when everybody needs to step up and help in whatever way they can. Please figure out a way to dispense help at your own level, at whatever level, aapki jo bhi capacity ho, on a personal level, on a professional level, at whatever possible way. And if anybody has any questions or you want us to be able to help you, please do reach out to us. You can see our contacts in our description box. And if you have any questions, please do leave your comments. We could respond to that as soon as possible. Jai Hind. Let's hope India survives out of this victoriously. Stay safe, and thank you once again for all those people who are being helpful. I think they are being truly corona warriors, people who are fighting for this cause. There's nothing bigger than the cause of humanity, and I think we should continue to do that. Jai Hind. Thank you. Stay safe.
Hi, this is Manju Kalanidhi from Hyderabad, Rice Bucket Challenge. A couple of days ago, we received a request from Shiba Minai, who's doing some on-ground distribution work of groceries and supplies for a few groups over there. And although she reached out to us towards the end when we had run out of supplies, I'm glad that we could manage to do maybe a bit for them. I hope she'll be able to distribute it to the right kind of deserving people. Thank you to all the donors who have donated to us. Thank you.